Polkadot price prediction. Can DOT reach double-digit price in July 2025, as founder unveils proof of personhood plans? Polkadot price prediction. Technical analysis. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. With the altcoin market starting to outperform Bitcoin, Polkadot security improvements, and a shift to align more as a store of value could eye a double-digit valuation. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Content writer. Harvey Hunter. Content writer. Harvey Hunter. About author. Harvey Hunter is a content writer at cryptonews.com. With a background in computer science, IT, and mathematics, he seamlessly transitioned from tech geek to crypto journalist. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated. July 18, 2025. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Polkadot founder Gavin Wood has proposed a proof-of-personhood model to correct a $500 million a year problem for the blockchain, a potential catalyst for the Polkadot price outlook. The altcoin has rallied 32% over the past 10 days as investors buy the news on major regulatory progress. Geopolitical and macroeconomic FUD no longer clouds the narrative, with ever closer regulatory clarity fueling a capital rotation into the altcoin market. Markets are now pricing in Crypto Week, as the Genius Act awaits final action, while the Clarity Act and the Anti-CBDC Surveillance State Act advances to the U.S. Senate. Proof of personhood could save Polkadot $410 million a year. During the Berlin 2025 Web3 Summit, Wood suggested replacing the existing nominated proof-of-stake (NPRS) validation model with identity-based proof of personhood (POP). Under the current NPRS setup, Polkadot spends $500 million annually to reward validators. This staking-related issuance accounts for around 85% of DOT's 10% annual inflation. Wood argues this is unsustainable, as it encourages capital hoarding rather than rewarding real value or participation. The proposed POP model would strengthen Sybil resistance and aims to replace outdated tools like CAPTCHA, SMS, and KYC, which are increasingly vulnerable in an AI-driven world. With it, Wood anticipates an 80% cut in security costs to $90 million via fixed validator salaries, KYC, and an issuance model with biannual reward halvings. This would mirror Bitcoin-style halvings, shifting Polkadot from an inflationary model to one with store value properties, especially with the proposed hard cap of 3.14 billion DOT. Polkadot price analysis. Is a $10 DOT in play? By slashing inflationary pressures and creating artificial scarcity, the POP proposal creates more favorable supply-demand dynamics for long-term growth. Near-term, the Polkadot price rally stands to see a correction as it exhausts the full breakout momentum of a descending channel forming since its early May local top. The pattern's projected 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level top at $4.34 has been surpassed, and momentum indicators now show cracks in by pressure that could lead to a correction. The RSI now sits above the oversold threshold at 72, an area that typically precedes corrections as buyers reach their point of exhaustion. Still, the MACD line continues to widen its gap above the signal line, a strong sign that an uptrend is the prevailing trend despite some friction. The immediate 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level at $4 is the most credible support, marking a correction of 8% that could form a base for the next move once volatility stabilizes. From there, a decisive move above $4.34 would confirm bullish continuation toward a key historic support zone at $5.44, a potential 23% climb from current levels. Looking further ahead, Polkadot would enter a zone of sparse resistance, with $6.50, $7.50, and $8 being the key levels to watch before a full return to its previous $11.60 all-time high. With altcoin season drawing fresh retail liquidity to strong narratives and fundamentals, if Wood's proposal passes a community vote, DOT could be the one to reap this fresh demand. Polkadot might not see the biggest alt-season run. The truth is, Polkadot has been in the background for months as traders chased fresher narratives. During altcoin season, attention is what attacks fresh retail flows. Few stand to capitalize on this momentum as much as mission coins, the purest form of meme coin, fueled purely by a devoted community. Token 6900, $6,900 Tuvaluan dollars, is the latest chapter in that saga. No promises, no utility. You are the utility. It offers nothing, and yet it is everything you are looking for. Token 6900 is your way out of the misery of a late internet capitalist dystopia to a fantasy where money is no longer in control of big institutions. The masses can now print their own currency, one inspired by 2000s nostalgia and fed by nothing but a desire to escape the ritual of the financially doomed. The 9 to 5. The community is already growing and fast, raising nearly $700,000 in the first weeks of pre-sale as its earliest disciples are rewarded by a high APY on staking, currently at 86%. You can assimilate with Token 6900 on X, Instagram, or join the pre-sale on the Token 6900 website. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Institutional inflows hit $3.7 billion. Could XRP hit $100 in 2025? China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Cardano by the end of 2025. Price analysis. XRP price prediction July 18, 2025. As XRP open interest hits $10 billion, is Ripple going to $4 today? 2 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. XRP price prediction July 17, 2025. Is Ripple price going to $4 today after launch of UXRP ETF? 3 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Picoin, and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 5 days ago, by Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in July 18, 2025. 2 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 2 days ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 5 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 5 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 9 hours ago, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.